Hey all, I'm Art Ivorlas, 20 from Alabang, Muntinlupa City. I remember when I started dancing, hindi siya agad hip-hop. Nag-start ako as a folk dancer from Alabang Elementary School, Philin Best Annex. And then, meron local group from Muntinlupa na nag-inspire sa akin to be changed from folk dance to hip-hop, which is yung Elite Pioneers and yung Ace Crew. And still now, nasa hip-hop pa rin ako, and I'm proud of it. Masaya ako na ginagawa ko siya. And I'm still learning. This is Art Ivorlas, the girl number 8. Let's do this.